end up in the guard. Okay? So now from here we're going to work on the guard pass. Here, break, cross knee across, side control. Once I pass the side control, I'm going to go to a Keza Katana. I'm going to come under the arm here, shoot my hips out so it clears that arm. Okay? So I end up this way. Okay? Now, once I'm here, we're going to do a different kind of arm bar. Okay? A lot of times, if somebody really doesn't know jiu-jitsu or it's a street altercation, they'll be trying to push your face. Okay? There's many different arm bars I can get with this arm here. Okay? But a lot of times, if I'm putting pressure, they're going to try to push your face away, or hit you, or rake your eyes. You know, it's going to be messy. Okay? So I'm here. I try to keep my head low, but he wants it up. Okay? So watch what I do here. As he puts the pressure up, I resist him a little bit to make him push more, and I throw my leg over the face, and I hook his arm. Now, don't just try to flex the arm here. What puts the pressure on the arm is by me dragging my heel back and torquing his neck. Now, it takes slight pressure. Okay? So here, he pushes up, go with it, throw the leg over, settle back down, torque here, now pick my hip up. Okay, so the whole thing here, it could be a punch, he could throw a punch, I could come in, block here, bring my foot in alignment with that foot, I'd make him take a step, bring, shoot, end up in the guard. Here, knee in the center of the tailbone, break the guard open. Cross knee, keep the foot hooked inside, underhook the head, come to side control. Underhook the arm, shoot my hip through to get that arm free. Now let's say I wanted to break the arm down this way, you know, by doing this kind of arm bar, but he's too smart for that, he brings his arm in. So I push in my face. Yeah, resist it a little bit, make him push back. As he pushes back, I throw the leg over, okay, torque the head, and easy with the hip forward. Okay? Loose. But he got it? Loose. You want to see it? You got it. Spear up.
Welcome to the show. So welcome Matt. Brett. Brett.
What?
His name's Brett.